Bye bye, Nora. Alrighty, it is 8:32. Checking the bricks. And the ones on the left are progressed from earlier this afternoon. So this one right here is 8:30 right now. 7:30, 6:30, 5:30, 4:30, 3:30, 2:30, 1:30, 12:30. So you can see it came up. In the 5:30 we started getting nervous. So there's our water line going into our house. And then fortunately the last 3 hours it started receding. Now there's a big band coming tonight. And you can see the water was up to here. We've got sandbags ready to go. All the furniture's on, I don't know if you can tell from here, it's on bricks. And we're ready if it does flood, but so far we got a little receding, a little recession. You can see the mailbox, I don't think you can. No water in the house yet, watching it very, very closely, praying. It's a good sign right now. Hope you guys are doing well.